Well, it finally happened to me. I've heard others say that they couldn't open their Bernina version 9 software. And there's several simple fixes. For one, when we had the November update to Bernina version 9, our shortcut links on the desktop no longer worked. So we needed to delete the shortcut that was on our desktop and then replace that with the latest. I should have saved screenshots about what I was seeing, but basically, I first got a prompt that asked me to activate my software. Well, of course, it's already activated. Then I was getting a prompt that said I had to sign in. So, in doing some research, I found where someone had mentioned perhaps turning off your Wi-Fi so that the software was forced to open without going to verify. That didn't work. But in poking around, what I finally did find is, now I'm in Windows 10 on this machine. I'll have to look to see what the other computer looks like. But when I open from the Windows Start menu, I have some other options. This is nice to know. And I did go ahead and report the issue. And I'll try to cancel that. First, what they'll do is they'll send me an email to set up a time to help me. And what I'll be able to do at that time is go ahead and cancel this report. But in looking around, now I knew this was there, the purge recovery. And you need to do that periodically just to clear out files that your computer is holding where you have closed your software and then opened it back up. And it's a recovery of what you were working on at the time. If you have a system crash all of a sudden. But this is what I had not seen before, and I used to have to do this when we still had a dongle. Every time Windows would do an update, and they were doing those weekly, and they still are, weekly Tuesday security updates, it would half the time kill my security dongle, and so I would have to go in and reinstall. Well, this is now located in our Bernina Designer Plus 9 folder. You're probably going to see it in Creator as well. But once I ran that small utility, and it took a couple of minutes, but after I did, the software opened fine.